If you feel tired by mid-morning and constantly craving snacks, your breakfast could be the problem. Here's one simple shift that seriously boosts your energy, reduces cravings, and supports your overall health, starting tomorrow morning. A high-protein breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar, which means more steady energy, fewer mid-morning crashes, better focus, and long-term metabolic and muscle health. When breakfast is mostly carbs like toast, cereal, or even just coffee, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. That's when fatigue and cravings kick in. Aim for 25 to 35 grams of protein at breakfast. That's the sweet spot for most adults to feel satisfied, energized, and mentally sharp. Here are 4 simple, realistic options. 1, an egg-based breakfast. 2 to 3 eggs with veggies and a side of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Me personally, I like to put my cottage cheese or Greek yogurt in my eggs. Don't knock it till you try it. It's heavenly. Number 2, a Greek yogurt bowl. Plain Greek yogurt topped with berries, nuts, seeds. Remember, we're going for protein here, not sugar. Number 3, a protein smoothie. Protein powder, milk or milk alternative, frozen berries, a little fresh spinach. You won't taste it. Fast and filling. Number 4, a savory option. Leftover chicken or turkey with some eggs, or even a breakfast wrap with some eggs and lean protein. Start your day with protein and your body and your brain will thank you. Try it for 1 week and notice how your energy and cravings absolutely change. Small habits, big results. That's the Sketch Fit way.